Let's imagine this is your highly complex product, running inside one of your client's world-class factories. Every day, it's operating under tight schedules, high precision, and zero defect expectations. Meet Jens, a production manager at a global electronics manufacturer. His company builds components for cars, airplanes, and even medical devices, where every single defect must be investigated, understood, and prevented from ever happening again. Running such advanced production lines at zero defect rates takes more than skill. It requires near-perfect organization, teamwork, and a strong partnership between machine makers and end users. In Jens's world, performance is measured by more than just output. It's about quality, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy, the very foundation of world-class service. To meet these expectations, you need more than good machines. You need the right people, the right processes, and the right tools. Service has become one of the most important factors in your customer's brand decision. Professional service gives your company the winning edge, and your customers can feel that difference every single day. Because great service isn't just support, it's your best sales. Behind every successful operation, there's a clear goal: minimizing bureaucracy and unproductive time. Processes must flow correctly and efficiently, supported by technology that actually works for you. From the office to the field, iQP connects everyone through automated dispatching and smart allocation of work. The system ensures the right engineer with the right qualifications, tools, and spare parts is on the job every time. This is where your planning, booking, and dispatch come together. Clear, precise, and effortless. In today's global operations, lessons learned in one location can make a difference on the other side of the world. From operators to developers, everyone contributes to continuous improvement. That's why iQP builds learning right into the workflow. Field engineers can report quickly, share ideas, and document insights directly from the field. Every report becomes part of a growing knowledge base, a library of experience that helps others solve problems faster. Globally shared knowledge strengthens every team. Each case resolved adds another layer of reliability and trust in your organization. Your clients expect seamless service, anywhere in the world. That's why iQP supports global coordination through one platform. From North America to Asia, your service teams are united, improving performance and customer satisfaction together. Fast response, reliable scheduling, and precise follow-ups, all visible at a glance. From planning, quotation, booking, dispatch, service, reporting, and invoicing, to survey, analytics, and reports, every step is connected. When an issue can't be solved remotely, iQP turns planning into action. Its intuitive booking system handles every kind of job: field service, training, hotline support, vacations, even sick days. Drag, drop, and adjust durations directly in the interactive scheduler, while the system automatically manages all resources behind the scenes: staff, tools, spare parts, and facilities. Visual indicators show if real durations differ from the plan, helping you react and optimize instantly. You can even drop in predefined project templates and let the system do the scheduling for you. Creating quotations is fast and simple. Based on preset price lists, iQP automatically builds accurate quotes, adjusting for service type, customer agreements, or local pricing. Whether it's a single job or a multi-week project, it's done in just a few clicks. You can even generate quick estimates in advance to refine your offers. Once confirmed, you can dispatch your team with just 2 clicks, and the system instantly notifies everyone, sharing travel details, visiting notes, team assignments, and to-do lists. Out in the field, simplicity is key. The service reporting module minimizes typing and maximizes clarity, predefined actions, quick confirmations, and new notes logged effortlessly. Each report feeds back into the central knowledge base, where it's rated, categorized, and used to help others. Travel costs, overtime, and allowances are all handled automatically, even across multiple currencies. Customers sign reports digitally, receive instant PDFs, and all data syncs directly with the database for approval and invoicing. Even offline, IQP keeps working, ideal for restricted production networks. Once the job is done, the system notifies everyone who needs to know, so the entire team stays connected and up to date. Back in the office, your data becomes insight. All tickets, reports, service logs, surveys, and financials flow into a single powerful pivot analyzer. You can explore your data freely, create custom KPIs, dashboards, and visual reports that reveal trends and drive decisions. This is full control over your service performance at every level of your business. Delivering service this way ensures world-class quality and performance, globally. And that brings us back to Jens. Because when your service is fast, reliable, and professional, his production keeps running smoothly, and his confidence in you grows. In the end, great service doesn't just fix problems. It builds partnerships, it drives success, it defines your brand. IQP, Intelligent Quality and Performance in Database, your complete solution for global field service management.